What are your key takeaways from Dayforce Discover 2025?
If I did the math right, this is my 13th Discover on different names, but it's still Ceridian Dayforce Discover. It's still David Ossip touting the benefits of the one integrated suite, which we heard in the keynote here as well. And that is kind of like the gift, or better say, the architectural decision which keeps giving to Dayforce and to Dayforce customers and the partner ecosystem, having one designed together suite which is dedicated for HCM and is doing what I call the hard things really, really well. And the hard things for me are workforce management and payroll, and bringing those together in a closely knit fashion. And then doing, of course, the other things around talent management. The good news is that Dayforce is completing the suite of capabilities, and the big addition which came at this conference was the agent known capabilities, which was an acquisition, very well fittingly also built in the Azure stack and really well built in the way how executives and managers and people leaders want to look at workforce planning, and that's in the form of their org chart. Very, very nicely designed, very, very usable. It will be a big differentiator and improve the planning quality for Dayforce customers. Correctly, Dayforce also talks about how that's compliant data and secure data and PII data, which is, I think, a table stake for a vendor of the size of Dayforce, at least from a security and PII perspective, but still good to mention that. And it allows you to make better and easier artificial intelligence, which everybody's talking about. And Dayforce here, of course, like everybody else, has unleashing some additional agents. I think it's a good selection on agents, helping people to get more productive. One which I think is particularly interesting is the Workspace AI agent, which allows you to help the people leader. And I'm a long proponent of saying you have to support the people leader, which is the first and second level managers in an enterprise. If you help those people, you're going to have advantages in your enterprise. You're going to move the whole enterprise, because those are the people who help you achieve your business results. And if you help them in something like a performance conversation, which is always a difficult thing to do for many people leaders, it's a fantastic capability, and I can help with this. And there's 4 or 5 use cases where the Workspace AI has been built for. That's a differentiator, that's different. The competition of Dayforce hasn't done that yet. So it all comes really nicely together for Dayforce and for its customers who have this integrated set of capabilities around the hard things to do in HCM and payroll and workforce management, including also some things on the global side, right? There's some good traction with additional payrolls coming for enterprises which are exceedingly global, at least for North America, with the Mexican payroll coming, close near to my accent, the German payroll coming. Those are all important geographies, important places to do business, where many customers have subsidiaries and operations and kind of the benefit of being in one integrated suite. Otherwise, a great conference, I would say, lots of energy, good people attendance. I think a little bit the attendance has changed. I think it's more dynamic and more senior. It's larger, of course, right? Dayforce reached over 7,000 customer count by now. It still keeps its unique culture of being very approachable for customers. They like that. I did some reference checks and conversations. Being able to listen more than the other vendors is still the strong differentiation for Dayforce. I mean, and no other vendor that I know gives out their email address, multiple email addresses, so you can make sure that you find David, Dave, or D at Dayforce.